Hey, good afternoon, traders. Peter Rate once again here with Iconic Day Trading. Just time for a little update. I run a day trading chat room as far as mentorship, and I actually teach traders the proper way to teach. Uh, I am an actual trader. I trade my own money. I call out my trades, and I do it right in front of all of you on screen share with step-by-step live audio walkthrough on why I'm entering, what I'm looking for, what my risk is, and all the reasoning behind why I'm taking a trade. So I'm probably the most fully transparent room out there. It's a no BS room. I have a lot of success stories. A lot of traders have turned around and become consistently profitable in the short 4 to 5 weeks that I have been open. I've been trading for over 20 years, trading full time for about 5 or 6. So I am the real deal. Real trader, real money, real profits, and you can see it on the screen. There's nothing hidden from you. So here is my website. It's www.iconicdaytrading.com. You will see some testimonials, recent trade reviews, contact us button, and you will see membership application. I am one of the few rooms that actually requires certain qualifications to be met in order to become part of our small circle. I have no intentions of being a large trading chat room. I want a group of small traders that have a passion, that have been doing this, that just haven't been able to make the transition from being a trader to a profitable trader. And that is what I do. I teach you guys my methods. I work a lot with trading psychology, and I show you how to trade step by step. So everything is detailed on my website. All my Iconic members have access to me directly anytime. I do live one-on-one chart reviews after hours. Just call, email me, let me know what you want, what time works for you, and you will actually have me on the phone and we can go over your charts. Daily chart reviews is something I require from all of my members at Iconic Day Trading. So check out the website. Um, Great testimonials. It tells you, about my mission, what I'm trying to do. And at this point in my career, being successful, I see all the garbage that's out there with people promising you, you make, $1 million the first year trading, selling you DVDs and all that crap. All they want is your money and then to move on to the next trader. They're leaving you with empty promises and empty wallet with nothing to show for it. And I'm the exact opposite. So that being said, there's my own page. So please check it out, iconicdaytrading.com. I just want to go over a couple recent trades with you and tell you why. I'm a big believer. Well, not a big believer. I'm sell side biased, so I short a lot of stocks. I do take some longs, but ideally I specialize in shorts. This is one that I took on HOG the other day after earnings, I believe. I took a little bit short right here, pre-market around 57. Let's say it's 57.80. I love shorting the opening gap ups when they meet certain criteria, certain parameters. So you see me going short here around 9 o'clock. Came down, opening bell, came down, I got short at 57.80. I got down here, I covered probably around 56.90 area. I shorted again, and then I added right here, a little advanced trade management, doubled the size, and then I covered here. It was just a beautiful trade. Beautiful, beautiful trade. So I shorted, covered it, made about a point or so, reshorted, doubled it, covered again, made another point. Just a beautiful fade. You had the moving average cross. You had the breach of the 50, so I knew the stock was weak. And it was a great, fast couple $1,000s. I mean, it was a simple trade. So shorting the opening gaps is one of my specialties and something that I love to do over here at Iconic. This is another one. Some reason I saved the 15-minute chart. So you can see I shorted this one again as well. This was probably pre-market here around 1620, and then opening came. I covered here because it came back and retested the 9 period, so that's why I covered around 17. Sorry, I shorted 1825. I got to put on my glasses. Anyway, covered here around 17. Made about a point and a quarter off of this trade. This was up on phase 2 clinical data, which is garbage. Stock was up 3 points. Knew it wasn't going to hold. My risk would have been right here. Not right here. This would be my risk. So minimal risk, and about a point and a quarter in return in say about 10-15 minutes. Another beautiful fade out of the opening gate. Price line. This was one heck of a trade. Okay, so you see consolidating all day long. You had the breakout here, okay, which I should have taken a breakout right here around 2:30. I missed the breakout, okay, so I saw this double top right there, came down, tested the 20, made a lower high right here, moving average cross. This is where you would have went short around 1281. Beautiful, beautiful short, broke the 50, had the moving average cross, came all the way down, bounced off VWAP. I would have covered right here at 1248. So that would have been, we are at, I'm sorry, 1262. So that would have been about a 15-point trade right there. Purely based off the double top, the lower high, moving average cross, perfect fade down. Simple, classic, textbook stuff. My methods are easily, anybody can learn my methods. You just have to be disciplined. So that was a great trade on Priceline. See what else we have here. Biogen IDEC. This was just a nice long. This was when it was down. I don't know, it's down like 30, 40 points in one day. When a stock is down that much, guys, in general, you have to anticipate at some time during the trading day. Okay, 80% of the time, the stock will do a retracement. If it's up 30, 40 points, or if it's down 30, 40 points, at some time during the day, it will retrace a third to 2/3 of the move. And you have to anticipate that. And that's what I did with this BIIB. You can see right here, beautiful elephant bar formed here. Okay, came down, tested the 9 period moving average. I'm a big moving average guy. It held. Volume came in. I went long right here at 307.50, anticipating this move. And I sold at 310.50ish. So easy 3 points. Don't worry about the size that I trade. Just worry about why I traded the stock, and I made it fast. 3 points. This is a 1 minute chart. So we got 1, 2, 3. Let's just call it 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 3 points. Okay, and this move this move was so predictive. We just knew it was going to happen. Same thing happened with SHW, which I'm going to try and show you right now. And the same thing happened with Baidu when Baidu was down so much. Here's the Baidu rebound. Okay, this thing was down huge. You see the volume coming in. You see it came down, retest. It got bought right back up, and it went from 165. I would have got long here about 164.50, and you could have covered at 167.40 at the time I took this picture. That's an easy 3 points on a move that you should have anticipated happening because it was down so much during the course of the day. So if a stock is up so much or down so much, expect some kind of retracement in the last hour of trading. Okay, so that was the Baidu. I don't know, I'm running out of time here, so let's just finish this up. This is Biogen IDEC again. Last week, I just want to show you what perfect stuff is again, just like the price line. 317.50 was in line. Tried to test it once, came down. Regained the 9 period moving average. Put in a lower high. It could not take out the previous high. That tells me the stock is weak. It's due for a pullback. Shorted it 317.50, 317.40, and ride it all the way down. And at the time of the picture, you would have got about 2 points right here. Just simple. Moving average cross, high dead reject, double top. Just a beautiful trade for points. And everything that I give to my my members has extremely little risk to it. ESPR, this came out when RAGN got the positive news. This stock tanked. Okay, I used to play these. I don't play these initial moves anymore. This is the move that I play right now. Okay, I stay away from this stuff because this is not trading. This is more of a gamble to me until I know that the price levels have stabilized. So this right here is my VWAP. Very important to have on the charts. Okay, volume weighted average price. This is all the VWAPs. Most algos and HFTs always have VWAPs in their trading, so it makes them even more powerful. So once this rejected VWAP, I knew it was short. You take a short here around 86 and you ride it all the way down. I probably would have covered around 80. That would have been a nice clean 6-point trade. So I let this garbage go because it's too risky. Let's see how high it goes. It rejected VWAP. That's a sign to get short. Short at 86. Ride it down. Never broke the 9. Kyle would have covered at 80. And again, nice simple 6-point trade. Let's see what else we got. Teva. This was a beautiful, beautiful end of day play. This was, I believe, last week sometime. And again, you know, the stock was up on the news. You have to anticipate a run into the close, okay? Because everyone was expecting this short. So everybody was short, okay? And of course, the market does the opposite, okay? What the market does was supposed to do. I was to say the amateur traders were short on this, okay? You got to expect to run into the close. So right here, you can see the moving average cross. Okay, you can see a little green bar coming up. You can see this little retest right here. It held a 9. Beautiful elephant bar. Came back, retested a 9. You get long around 70, and then just ride it all the way up. I would have got stopped out here because it broke to 20, and I would have got backed in right here at 70, 75 for another 0.75. So this would have been a nice 2.5, 3-point play. When everyone was expecting the short, they just ramped it right into the close. It's just a beautiful, beautiful trade. So everything is simple. Everything that I do is really, really simple. A lot of people want to make trading out to be extremely difficult. Trading is a lot easier than people think it is. It's more mental than anything else, and it's more proper trade execution. That makes a successful trader. Again, I'll just show you this SHW. This thing was down huge on earnings, huge. This thing was down like 30 points, you know, from 282 down to 250 low a day. So on this one, you can see the double bottom, and then it'll put in a higher low. Okay, you got the moving average cross. Okay, and you see it's higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, smaller candles. Tested VWAP, broke VWAP. Okay, but you look to the left. Always look to the left for previous support or resistance. So I didn't get long right here because of the previous resistance. It came back and it held VWAP and it held the 9 and the 20 on the 2-minute chart. That's where I got long. I got long at 254.46. Okay, and this is 11 o'clock in the morning, and I caught this rip to the long side for 260. Okay. So right here, 254, 260, easy 5.5 points. Just on anticipating this move because this sell-off was so overdone. And then you got the double bottom, higher lows, moving average cross, VWAP test. Take the thing long and ride it up. I covered here because I always look to the left. If you look to the left, you'll see that this is where their prior resistance was. Okay, so that's why I covered there. So it was a beautiful, like I said, 5.5 point trade, and I was very happy with it. Look to the left, that's why I sold, and that's what we do. We take the setups that professional traders take. We don't play the overcrowded stocks. We don't trade for 10, 30, 40 cents. We don't try to pick the tops of the stocks. We trade setups and we trade patterns, and that's what professional traders do. So on that note, guys, thanks for listening. I will do another YouTube video soon on some more trades. In the meantime, check us out. Follow me on Twitter at